Welcome again. So far we have finished up to level 2. Now we'll solve level 3. At first exit from level 2 terminal and login again for level 3 using the user Bandit 3. Enter the password you obtained from level 2. Remember, the password may change from time to time, so use the password from your own system. Now read the phrase for level 3 goal. The password for next level is stored inside the hidden file in the in-hire directory. First, go to the in-hire directory. Next, list the file inside the directory including the hidden files. You'll see a hidden file there. That hidden file contains the password. Now let's open the file. You can read the contents of the file using the cat command. We are facing problem to open the file here, so use the command as you can see here. The text shown is the flag. The flag is the password for next level. Copy and save the password because you'll need it for the next level, and that is for level 3. Don't forget to like and subscribe.